guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Andrei. And today, I will show to you how to make a very easy chick made out of origami sheet. And all you need is origami and 2 pens, color yellow and black. Are you ready, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so today I'm going to pick a color pink because it's very cute. Like this Paw Patrol. Look at this nose. So first, we are going to fold it. Okay. There. Oh, it ran away. And see, he made a line. So we're going to do it again. Not again. Okay, the other side. Hey! So it made a line. This will guide you at the third step. So the third step is these both sides. And the other one. And then the fourth step is the bottom, so that it will make it. And then after that, we're going to make a small one. Small triangle. Make sure it's like that. And even. Make it even. And the fifth step is the 2. This one. And this one. Both of the other side. Both and the other side. Make it the same size. Oh wait. It's not the same size. Then we're going to fold it again here. And the other one. Both sides. And turn it over, and it's the chick. So it's makeup time for them. This one first. Make the eyes up, and then the other eye. Make it sure that it's an oval. Oops. Then I'm going to make a shape of a diamond. After that, I'm going to make a shape of a diamond and color it. Ta-da! And we're finished! Look at the mama chick. The mama chick. Look at the mama chick. He has a nose. This one looks cute. Ta-da. And also, I almost forgot. Don't forget to smash the button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell to see more videos. Bye-bye.